Don't fall prey to a scam or even just misfortune. It doesn't matter where you're driving. I'm in New York, but even when I'm in Pennsylvania, I tell all my friends, have a dash cam. It's an absolute must. The roads are unpredictable. People's intentions are even more so unpredictable. Make sure you have yourself guarded. The Redtiger dash cam, the two-way, is an excellent bang for buck dash cam. It is a two-way dash cam, one camera in the front looking out always, sneakily wired in through all your pillars so you don't have any wires hanging around. And the second camera is playing off of my trunk, although you could also hang it inside. Very easy to install. And when you get the kit, you have all the tools necessary to hit the ground. You have the charging cable for it, you have a little pry tool, it even comes with an SD card. Honestly, excellent camera. The quality on it is brilliant. And also it has a GPS function on it in case you want to go a little bit higher end. I'm pretty sure they even have a discount going, something like $10 or $20. Definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a dash cam. And even if you're not, you need a dash cam in all your cars. It is such a low entry peace of mind. You set it up, it loops, and it just keeps recording. Set it and forget it in the most realistic sense.